guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. I'm so glad that you're here. I know this is kind of funny. I was looking at this cup and I really love my Ralph Lauren cup, but in order to show you my cup, I have to hold it in the wrong hand. So I can't drink it like this. This is crazy. So I have to hold it like that and then drink from it. I'm just having some of my coffee. Sippy. This video is actually going to be a kind of an amusing, not really a rant. I don't want to call it a rant because that's negative and I don't want to say rant, but it's very amusing to me. And the subject matter is YouTube demonetizing, and the word demon is in there for a reason, demonetizing certain videos from us mature gal YouTube content producers because of certain words that we might use that apparently YouTube deems it really bad. These are really bad words, guys. They're so bad that as soon as we put up a video about something and we mention these words, they are not monetized. So that means that we cannot run any advertising against it. Actually, no branded family-friendly advertiser will pick up our hideous videos because they are so not family friendly. Okay, such adult content. And I'm saying this wink wink with a big wink in my eye because I've seen the most stupidest things happen, and basically once, just background, once YouTube deems your video not fit for monetization, it basically puts it in a certain bucket, and you can click on this button that says please review my video, that it really is family friendly and there's nothing harmful in it, but they usually only review videos from very popular content producers. So if your video, if you chronically get thousands and thousands of views on your videos and you have thousands and thousands of subscribers and you're, you know, in this huge caliber of YouTube stardom, then they will definitely look at your video and review it a lot quicker, or even review it at all and get it monetized back up if they deem it worthy. And they usually have a real human looking at the content, not a bot looking at it. For us YouTubers that are on the low end of their spectrum as far as subscribers and popularity and the amount of video content that we put up there, YouTube kind of gets to us when they get to us, which is basically never. So once our videos are demonetized or branded as not family friendly, they're usually not rectified and put back up, you know, online to be running ads against. And I don't mind that once in a while. It doesn't matter to me whether it is or it isn't. I can live without it. It's just, I just find it annoying that certain words that I can't help but put in my tags or put in my titles are, you know, as soon as those words hit the algorithm of YouTube, they hit it and boom, within a minute or two of me trying to put up a video, it locks it down. It says, no, 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 this is not family friendly. We can't have this. We can't have these words up there, you know, blah, blah, blah. And there's nothing you can do about it short of deleting that video, reworking your content again, taking out the word that it does not like, and then trying to put another word in. Now, I have a list of words that I literally have put into my videos, and I have seen them being turned off by YouTube. And I'm going to tell you these because if you are a video content creator, beware that this is going to happen. No matter what you say, this is going to happen. Okay, the first word that I have chronically been demonetized over is the word retin-a. Okay, why? I have no idea. If you are in the mature skincare community, such as myself, and you're putting up videos on retin-a or talking about any form of retinoid, it will hit against the algorithm of YouTube for some strange reason. The only reason that I can think of is that it's a drug. It doesn't like drugs. YouTube does not allow any information about drug usage. Drug usage is not family friendly. So if you're talking about any type of drugs, just know that you might be hit. Now, I have seen other YouTubers put on, videos about retin-a or other things, and for some reason they're monetized. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. All I know is when I put it into my title or keywords, it just absolutely destroys the video. Okay, the other one is Differin. Again, it's an over-the-counter cream, used for acne, and of course, it is known to be also useful for anti-aging or wrinkles or whatever. The minute you say Differin, the minute you have a thumbnail with the word Differin on it, boom, it cuts it off. No monetization whatsoever. I've had once or twice where somebody just I happened to luck out, and someone from YouTube, a live person, viewed my video and then turned it back on. But believe me, you're going to be waiting around for a while to get your video monetized if you use that word Differin. Adapalene is another one, which is the I guess the prescription name of Differin. So retin-a, retinoid, Differin, adapalene. Doesn't like the word drugs. Anytime you say drugs, I've had videos because of putting up videos for you guys regarding blood pressure pills. I've had videos putting cholesterol pills, the word pills, the word drugs. I don't think it locks it down because of the word cholesterol, but it locks it down if you say cholesterol drug or cholesterol pill or prescription or anything like that. Mental. Doesn't like the word mental. I had a video up about mental alertness and taking, I think, ginkgo for mental alertness or taking vitamins for mental alertness. The word mental didn't like it. As soon as I said mental, I guess it thought crazy or mentally unstable or whatever. Locked it right down. No monetization for me. Okay. The word naked. Okay, if you're going to talk about the naked palette or naked eyeshadow or lipstick, nude, naked lipstick, whatever, the minute you say nude, the minute you say naked, it's not going to have it. Now, you know that this video is probably going to be demonetized immediately because I'm hitting all of those words in this one video. I might even have my whole channel blocked because of this one video and telling you guys all these words, right? So that's the ones that I've found so far. I don't know if you guys know any other words, then maybe we should add a list. Maybe we should start a list on words not to use in the mature skincare community that will trigger the algorithm of YouTube. I think weight is another one, weight or fat or things like that. And I think it has to do with body shaming. So if you say something like, you could say something to the fat, like there's a lot of fat content in avocados, let's just say. The minute you say the word fat, it might be triggered. So it doesn't have to be fat in the realm of fat as in obesity or fat as in body shaming or anything like that. It could be fat as in oils, and it might demonetize your video. So you have to be careful in choosing your words. I know one YouTuber, I won't say, she just had a regular video up, and she struggled for about 2 or 3 times rewriting the title because there was something in the title that YouTube absolutely hated, and would not allow her to monetize it. And I don't think she was talking about anything except, a makeup palette or brushes or something. I don't know. So, yeah, just wanted to put it out there for you guys real quick that it's kind of humorous that at our age and our backgrounds as a mature skincare and health lifestyle community, we are being dinged by the bad boys, you know, on YouTube that say that our content is not family friendly or anything like that. I sure don't cuss a lot on my channel. I mean, I might say you know, an S word once in a while or whatever, but for the most part, I don't. So, I mean, unless you have a dirty mouth, you know, a potty mouth or something, these other words are going to trigger YouTube for sure, for sure. So that's it, guys. I hope if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me comments below on some of the other words that you find offensive by YouTube, so that we, like I said, kind of like check it off our lists and make sure that we don't post things like that. Or maybe there's some workaround words that you know of that it might not trigger YouTube that we can still use. Okay, please subscribe. Thank you for joining me today, and blessings to everybody, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.